I present to you the Dubai Fountain, designed by Mark Fuller of Utah and his team at WET, W-E-T. WET is a firm responsible for the design and manufacture of some of the most recognizable and spectacular fountains in the world, and yes, the one you're looking at right now. The Dubai Fountain is a 32-acre animated lake that cuts a shimmering swath through the heart of Burj Khalifa. This Middle East unexpected desert oasis lures visitors to the edge of its shores. But the lake's periodic stillness only bellies its immense power, and comparisons to anything anyone has ever seen quickly fall away as the lights come up and the waters come to life. The fountain takes to the stage in a luminous performance of light, sound, and liquid sculpture. Nearly 1,500 individually choreographed water jets and over 1,000 fog jets shape a three-dimensional canvas with continuous gestures of shape, light, and color, like an invisible hand having its way with the elements. The Dubai Fountain adds more than world's greatest fountain to the list of Dubai's tallest and biggest. It is a vibrant social magnet and global landmark, the emotional memory of which visitors will carry with them no matter how far they may roam from its shores. If you're anything like me, you're probably wondering, how much does a project like this cost? Well, guess what? I know. It cost $218 million to pull this entire project off. This includes the construction, the 6,600 lights, and 50 colored projectors, which is a record set for the ages. Here at Brundage World, we pride ourselves on giving you guys good quality information. If you haven't done so, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And make sure you hit the notification bell so you know when our very next video drops. We appreciate it. In comparison, the Dubai Fountain is appreciably larger than that of the fountains of Bellagio, and is by any measure the largest choreographed fountain in the world. International music selections, including Middle Eastern, African, and Western pieces, provide the inspiration of over 1,000 individually choreographed elements. Such a complex water feature normally requires 3 years to complete from start to finish. WET and the Imar team were able to finish the project in just 18 months. If you haven't noticed, the Dubai Fountain is situated prominently in front of the world's tallest man-made structure, Burj Khalifa. The Dubai Fountain shoots water as high as 500 feet. That's as high as a 50-story building. This was made possible because of WET's extreme shooters. WET was able to accomplish this because they introduced the most sophisticated submarine robotic water jets ever developed, an innovative use of projected light which allows the Dubai Fountain to exhibit painted images on its darting water forms. With the exception during Ramadan, the holy month of the Muslims, this fountain has a daily show every 30 minutes starting at 6 p.m. Monday through Sunday. The last show can be seen at 10 p.m. Don't be late. If you're wondering where you should go to watch the Dubai Fountain, I got you covered. The waterfront promenade in front of the Dubai Mall is the most popular and easy way to access this location. And the best thing about this, it's free. If you happen to be in the Mega Apple Store, we have an outdoor balcony for your viewing pleasure. If you head to the lower ground floor exit near at the top, at the Fashion Avenue end of the Dubai Mall, the exit here is far less crowded and you will be in a better position to see the fountain and the Burj Khalifa. There are plenty other ways to ensure a good view of the Dubai Fountain, including the Fountain Lake Ride on a traditional abra around Burj Lake, walk on the Dubai Fountain Boardwalk, dining at one of the nearby restaurants with outdoor seating over the lake, walking around the Souk Al Bahar, and from up above at one of the city's towering skyscrapers, including the Burj Khalifa. It's best to plan to be in position 15 minutes before the show starts to get a good spot. Thanks for listening and watching. Now enjoy the rest of the show. And this is why Habibi told us to come to Dubai. Everything is bigger and better. Sound like Texas. Any last words?
That was amazing.
Yeah, I mean, I would like to meet the person who was responsible for the engineering, the architecture, all of this stuff to make it work. It's just so phenomenal.
Yeah.
You guys comment down below and let us know what you think. All right? Run this world out.